Morning. So we received an email from our guest from Timony Brown family. So they are donating something to the rescue MDRRMO in Calbiga. So we received money, send it to my account. So we have the email that they send us money transfer amounting 150,000 pesos. So 130,000 will be given to MDRMO in Calbiga rescue office, and the 20,000 will be given to our local guide in Calbiga. So 5,000 each. So there are 4 persons during that rescue, and the rest will be given to the rescue office. So now we're going to the bank. We're gonna get the money given by the Brown family. So thank you very much for your generosity. Information during Jordan Brown rescue. So sent by Timony Brown to my account Johnny Bonifacio. So that's the information. So totaling about, yeah, 150,000 peso. Well, yeah. Now to PNB Bank, so we're gonna get the money. So by Saturday, we're gonna have a schedule to meet the in Calbiga and rescue office to give him the donation to the MDRRMO and the local guides in Calbiga. So thank you so much. Damo salamat to the Brown family for trusting us. Thank you. See you in the bank. We're here now in the bank, so now we're going outside the bank. Let's go. Bank now. Get the money. For turn, for number 15. Salamat. Kapami. Shop. So I've already the money. I received money from Timony Brown. It's 150,000. So we're gonna give it by Wednesday in Calbiga to the rescue and the local guide in Calbiga. So see you there on Wednesday. Now the donation money that we're gonna give it to MDRRM in Calbiga. So it's worth about 130,000. And this four from our local guide in Calbiga. So there are 4 of them. We're gonna give them 5,000 each. So in total of this donation is 150,000 peso. So we're gonna give in Calbiga on Wednesday. Yeah. Thank you so much. In Capitol, so now we're going now to Calbiga. Going to give the donation in MDRMO and Calbiga and also our local guide. So we're gonna ride my motorbike. Okay, let's go to Calbiga. Oh, Penaga. Good morning. So we're now here in Calbiga. So now we're going to the rescue office to give the donation. So Dan is already here. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now here at the office of Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office in Calbiga, MDRRMO. So we're gonna give now the donation. Gonna wait for other guide. Oh, good morning. Okay na? So good morning ato tanan. So abya po yan na Calbiga. Iyo pili na MDRMO. sa laman ng messenger, nagpapaabot lang. Mensahe, atong bisita na atong na rescue, na Mr. Brown, pati niya pamilya. So, atong nila, dapat nila magpapasalamat sa iyo, yung happy na pag-responde, pati na atong mga local cave guide, Villa Calviga. So, amon to nagpapadaan nila yung donasyon para kadugangan na siguro na para equipment ninyo. Kumbaga, nakikita ninyo na kakulangan ninyo na pag nabukoryan ka mo, so siguro may akong kailangan pa rin ng equipment na para medyo hindi na mo kukoryan ito. So, amin sa pa din, pagkakagal ng teacher, parte lang part-time para yung equipment na ihatag. So, kapag na bahala natin ito na gamit sa iyo. So, nagkakatila din yung 150,000. So, ang 120,000 din eh, kaya rin yung pisina, ang 20,000 din, 50,000, nagkagat pa sa mga kupa, ang lupa sa inyo.
Bato na daan ay.
So, ang ito na...
Grabe.
Ambot. Malinga ni Kuan Parunga.
donation para magpapasalamat kayo. Adi man ang mensahe
Bato na ini.
Lidaw.
Is ito unit familiar. Balait kita ito. May lalugit kita madali. Kasa pag di.
Ha?
Itas. Aramong ito.
Ano ba yung natin mo?
Oh, jadi kinakapalan niya, jadi tahan lang niya. Kaya, yan, mensahe apa bisita.
Boy! Ikaw!
Magagaman mo. Bye.
Magsasaka lang.
Ano ito? Hindi ko internet ko sa connected ko para
Makaka-company siya, nakaka-overturn ba eh?
Oo. The first time na
Pinag-ulit nila ako, pero balik ako sa kalang
Hindi pulik pa.
Ayun. Basta may ayun. Pero makuri man sila ng gamit ko dito. Diba? Ano scope? Awan.
Anak ko pa.
Okay na sir, pagka search ang mga yan niya, mas makakapagkiri. Pinalago na kita ng mga dalan.
big effort. You guys were up sweating, carrying me through the jungle. So I appreciate every single one of you that helped. And I hope to be back in Samar soon. And hopefully just see Johnny. Hopefully I don't have to use your services again. But yeah, thank you guys again. And with all my heart, thank you.
From the U.S., just want to say thank you for rescuing our son Jordan out of the jungle that night, and we hope this donation will help you buy a new piece of equipment to aid in your job.
Maraming salamat.
See ya.
What's going on, rescue team in Calbiga? This is the big guy that you guys carried off the mountain about a month ago. I just wanted to shoot this video to tell you guys again, thank you. I hope you appreciate this gift from my family to yours. Thank you again for getting me off the mountain safe and sound. I know it took a big team effort, and you guys were up sweating, carrying me through the jungle. So I appreciate every single one of you that helped. And I hope to be back in Samar soon. And hopefully just see Johnny. Hopefully I don't have to use your services again. But yeah, thank you guys again. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you.
Hello, greetings from the U.S. Just wanted to say thank you for rescuing our son Jordan out of the jungle that night, and we hope this donation can help you buy a new piece of equipment to aid in your job.
Maraming salamat.
See ya.
Mga rescue, Calbiga, ngayon natin local guide. So yan na, magtitikan na kita pag turnover. Sige, didinalat ka mo. So ayun, kailan yung clear yung Calbiga. Ito turnover natin ang era. Nakapatalingan, Darwin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang foreigner, damo nga salamat kaniyo ikinhatag nga donation an Calbiga MDRRM o rescue team. Damo nga salamat.
Man kuan receiver. So damo salamat tayo aton.
Salamat. Salamat.
Pre.
130, sir.
Pre, oh, sige.
Naku, agad pagbikan. English.
Ano? Pera. Pera?
5
Oh, sige, sugat ito. Yung mga picture ako. Okay. Okay, mensahe na mo. Gati.
Salamat. Walang destinasyon liwat.
Oh, ano, sakto?
Walang dua.
Oh, pera.
4-5, sir.
Ha?
4-5.
Ito? Ha?
Ito na, sir.
Pera.
5,000.
Oh, mensahe na mo. Sige.
Thank you.
Ano, pera?
5,000, sir.
Pera man mensahe na mo.
Thank you, sir. Jordan.
Oh,
Pati yan,
okay.
ni mamanta.
Oh, pera.
Salamat, sir. 5,000. Salamat, sir. God bless you.
Ang katidatanan.
130,000.
Oh, sige, damang salamat. Okay. So nakarawat na natin mga
Ano yung Facebook account, sir?
June Abisamis Bonifacio. Ako niya rin Abisamis Bonifacio.
Personal po na lang ko, sir.
Oh, sige lang, message na lang. Oh, dire, adi mo ang katidad.
130,000.
Okay, damo na salamat.
Damo nga salamat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you ayo na tanan. Thank you. Damo salamat tanaton Calbiga Rescue ngay na naton local guide. Damo salamat. Thank you Brown family for trusting us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Salamat. Sige. Ade, may snack pa. Okay. Oh, snack ka na eh. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Just finished give the donation to the rescue to the local guide. So now to go back to Catbalogan. So thank you so much, Brown family. So they already received the 150,000 pesos donation. So we're very thankful. So God bless.